Hi everybody, welcome to Allie So Crafty. In today's video, I am not going to do a tutorial and I am not going to do a behind the scenes. This is a little bit different. I am going to show you the mini collection that I made for Valentine's. And so I'm going to share with you the products that I made, all the features about them. And yeah, this collection is called Radiant Heart. I'm excited because this is kind of like the first time I do a mini collection where I kind of put it all together and gave it a name and just I'm trying to schedule all the social medias. It's not perfect. It's far from perfect, okay? And it's only few items, really very, very, very little, very few items. But I'm excited because this is the way I would like to continue to do things in 2026. And as I make new products, make them as collections, put them together, and just, you know, have them all ready so that I can promote them and then continue making new products, etc. So it's just something I'm trying to accomplish this year. But let me share with you the bags that I made for the Radiant Heart Mini Valentine's collection of 2026. So let's start with the biggest item here that you see. This time I decided to make some tote bags. You know me, I've made several handbags, book bags, you name it. They're all on my YouTube channel. You can see all the bags that I've made. But I decided to make some tote bags with this beautiful fabric, hearts fabric. So these tote bags have the accent here of faux leather, which it creates a nice contrast. Plus, it makes them very easy to clean, and it's just a little more durable. The exterior here is quilted. I don't know if you can see the quilted material, the stitching, but it is quilted. I added a closure, a magnetic snap. It's a magnetic rivet. So it has that little detail here of, you can see the rivet, but it's magnetic. The straps are also made out of the faux leather, okay? And they have a 15-inch drop. And that it's excellent because they're not super high up here. They fall at a position where they're just more comfortable. When you open the tote bag, you'll see a zipper pocket inside. It's wide enough where you can put your phone, a pen, keys, whatever it is that you need right here. And so it has a zipper pocket, which is nice and wide and big. And the interior is made out of water resistant material. So it's easy to clean. If something spills inside your bag, you can just wipe it clean and it's good to go. So this one is the luminous heart. It's black with the little hearts in white, kind of like a polka dot, but hearts. That's one. I only have one of each. That's one thing I wanted to say is I only made one of each. So I don't know if I will be able to make more, but so far I only have one of each. The second one was this, also same kind of design. The hearts are a little bit bigger, but so cute. I really like this fabric. And again, it has the bottom with the vegan leather, so it's easier to clean. The contrast of the straps and the bottom matches, right? And the drop is also very long. Again, makes it very, very comfortable to wear. And inside you have your zipper pocket as well as your water resistant lining. And the other one that I have, let me get this out. Let me put this one here. Is this one. I love this one. This one's so cute. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And I love how it has the little hearts in between the lines. Again, it has the magnetic snap for closure and the zipper pocket inside, as you can see there. Okay. And the faux leather accent. Super cute. Very, very cute, right? So those are the tote bags. Now, I had a fourth tote bag, but if you saw my video last week from when I went to that vendor show, I did a soft launch of these products, and I sold a tote bag and I sold a scarf towel. So that I cannot make another one. Like, these are limited editions, so I only have one of each. So unfortunately, I won't be able to show you the one that sold in person. You can see it either here. I will put the picture of the tote bag that sold, and here I'm going to put the picture of the scarf towel that sold. But as you can see, that print is this print. Now this is, again, I love this print because it has like that little flower on the heart. It's so pretty. What did I call this one? I've been calling it like all kinds of names, but bold heart, or what's the name? Hold on. Okay, I got it. It's called Love in Bloom because of the little flower. I just like that flower so much. So these are inspired by the Keychain wallet, but they're bigger, right? They're a little bit bigger. As you can see, it comes with the wristlet here, and you can open it, and you can fit your phone in this pouch. Where's my phone? Okay, so here's my phone. I have a Pro Max, an iPhone Pro Max, and it fits in there, and I have plenty of room to put other things. And then here in the front, you can fit your ID, credit cards, etc. perfectly. They fit just right. And so you can put your keys, hang your keys here, and bring this to the store, date night, hanging out with the girls, whatever it is that you do, and you are ready to go. So here's the Love in Bloom. This one is called the Love Letters. It's so cute. Same thing, right? You can fit up to a Pro phone. And then you have your pocket on the inside as well. How pretty. This one is the same fabric as the tote bag, so they match. Same design. This one I used the water resistant fabric. These one I didn't. I used this red fabric. I thought the red was kind of pretty and different. But on these I used that same water resistant fabric that I used for the tote bags. And I have the one that is like the checkered that I really like. So pretty. Same idea. you know, and design the same lining, everything. You can fit your phone on this one. Now, the Redeeming Love one, this is the red. That's the name of this fabric, this print, Redeeming Love. This one, it's a little bit smaller, okay? You can still fit, if you have a Pro Max, you can still fit it, okay? It still fits, as you can see. It's there. However, it's a little tighter. It's a little more tight. So it's a matter of preference, but you know, this one is a tiny bit smaller. It's 8 inches wide by 5.5 tall. But as you can see here, I have, you know, this is the zipper, how it looks. And then you put your ID and everything here. And this is great, you guys, to go to a park, if you're walking the dog, if you are just going real quick to the grocery store. That's what I usually do if I'm just running to the grocery store. I grab one of these, put my phone inside, and I'm good. So for the keychain, the phone wallets, I've made these 5 colors. So these are the 5 I made for this collection. That's it. No more. Didn't make any more. And the last thing I made, I haven't made anything like this, but I thought I've been wanting to make these, and I know it's nothing really out of this world, but they're very useful, which are bookmarks. And so I made these cute little bookmarks using the same fabric. Okay, so I have the love letters. I have some with the stripes. I have this fabric that I haven't used yet. I may use it for something else later next year. I don't know, but I call it the doodle heart. I have the red with white polka dots. These are not hearts. Black and white polka dots. Another love letter. I made this one, is one of the fabrics that I used for a scarf towel, and it just says love. This one I haven't made anything with it yet, but it says love, other than, you know, and then the same stripes. So I haven't made anything other than the bookmarks with the love one and the doodle one. Okay. I may be able to, I don't know, I may. You need to be looking for, see if I post a bookmark out of the Redeeming Love fabric. I have to see if I have any more fabric to make a little bookmark. I just thought of that. But anyway, you need to be on in my email list so that you can see when I launch kind of new secret collections where I don't share with anybody. But anyway, so these, the way I made them, as you can see, I added a little charm at the end, okay, of each one of them. And one says made with love. And then the other one, I put the letter A on it. So you have the option to swap the charm for your initial or leave it like that. Or if you want to add your initial on top of the charm and the bead, then you can customize it that way. But these turned out super cute, and they are just absolutely a little touch when you are reading your book, or you're writing on your journal, or you're keeping your planner, your Bible, whatever it is that you're doing. You can just mark it right there with your bookmark, and they're thin enough so they're not going to leave a thick mark on your book, you know, like that indent on your book. And then they have this little charm at the end, which is kind of like a little detail, you know, it's just cute. But yeah, I can make more of these as I'm looking through and making sure I have, you know, make sure I have fabric for it. So if I put more of these on the website, you can see them. I will send an email to all my Radiant ladies that are in the Radiant Circle, and you will be notified when I put new products on the website. Now, with that being said, you're watching this video, and when I post this video, the collection will be already live on the website. But if you want to purchase any of these products with a special 15% discount, go ahead and sign up to the Radiant Circle. The link is on the first comment, on the pinned comment of this video. And you can sign up there, get your 15% off discount. That is special. I don't repeat the codes. The codes are generated individually, so I cannot share it with you. The computer will give you a code that then you can use to buy any of these products. So I hope to see you there. I hope you enjoy them. Let me know down in the comments what you think. Let me know if you want to see more of these, if this is something that you actually like. And next week I will have the video showing you the behind the scenes on how this collection came to life. But until then, I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.